A resistor of 8 ohms carries a current of 2 ampere for 10 minutes. Calculate the electrical energy dissipated as heat. A resistor of 8 ohms carries a current of 2 ampere for 10 minutes. Calculate the electrical energy dissipated as heat. So the first thing I would want to do here is to bring out the parameters in this question, right? So again, the question is a resistor of 8 ohms. So that tells me that the resistance is equal to what? 8 ohms, right? A resistor of 8 ohms carries a current of 2 ampere. So the current I is equal to what? 2 ampere. Carries a current of 2 ampere for 10 minutes. So the time is what? 10 minutes. And you should know that the SI unit for time is seconds and not minutes. So I will convert this 10 minutes to seconds. So I know that 60 seconds, right, is equal to what? 1 minute. So therefore, 10 minutes will be equal to what? 10 times 60, right? So 10 times 60 will give me what? 600 what? Seconds. So 10 minutes is equal to 600 seconds. So this is equal to 600 what? Seconds, right? Calculate the electrical energy dissipated as heat. So we are looking for the electrical energy, which is the same thing as the work done, right? So what is the formula that connects R, I, T and work done? So the formula W is equal to what? I square RT, right? W is equal to I square RT. So this is equal to my I, which is the current, is what? 2 ampere. So that is 2 raised to the power of 2, because here I have I square, I raised to the power of 2. So this is 2 raised to the power of 2 times my R, which is the resistance, is what? 8 ohms, times 8 times the time. The time is what? 600 seconds. So times 600, right? So this will be equal to 2 raised to the power of 2 is 2 times 2, and that will give me 4 times 8 times 600, right? So if I bring out my calculator and press that, 4 times 8 times 600 is equal to 19,200. So the work done is equal to what? 19,200 what? Joules. This is the electrical energy that is dissipated as heat, right? It's a very simple and straightforward question. So the major thing that you should know here is to know this formula for work done. That work done is equal to I square RT, where your I represents your current, R is for resistance, and T is for time.